Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Shazam app on your mobile device. In this case I'm using an iPhone, but it's a very similar process if you're using an Android device. If you're using an Android, go to the Google Play Store and download from there. But as I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to go to the App Store, and as you can see, it's this blue button in the middle of my home screen. But before we go any further, if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. So as you can see, the App Store in the middle of my home screen, press it, and then from there, go down to the bottom right section. There's the search page. Click in there, and at the top in the slightly grayed out box, you can basically start typing in Shazam. And then on the bottom right, there's the search button. Press that and it's going to load a bunch of different listings for us. So skip past the first advertisement and then you'll find the Shazam app right here. And basically on the right hand side of the listing title, there is a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow, and it's all outlined in blue. That basically means that we've downloaded Shazam on our App Store account in the past, but maybe not particularly this exact device. If you've never downloaded Shazam before, it will have a button that says GET, the Get button. Either way, press Get or the cloud icon and it will start downloading the app on your device. So I'm going to come back once this app has fully downloaded. So there we go guys, Shazam has fully downloaded on this device, and from within the App Store, it gives us the option to press the open button, and that will launch the app. So let's press that. It's running the app, it's launching it, just give it a little second, and then basically from there you want to press continue, and now you can start using Shazam wherever you'd like. So hopefully this video has been helpful guys. If it has been, again, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel, and if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comments section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.